So now that we've started with the easiest variations of the static lunge and we've developed our client's ability by incorporating some strength and also some stability options with the BOSU, we're now going to work more towards the primal movement pattern of a dynamic lunge, which is replicated obviously of our normal walking technique. So starting with our feet approximately hip distance apart, we're going to take a nice long stride forward, and as we do, we drop our weight through the centre, pushing up through our front leg and returning to the starting position. You can alternate your legs, of course, and this exercise can be done by either travelling forwards or stepping backwards as well. It depends on the ability and what you're actually wanting to achieve with your client. As we go through the action, of course, keeping the back heel off the ground at all times. And then we can, of course, make it a bit more difficult by progressing to what we call a Stork Stance. So as we go through that action, we can actually lunge forward and then draw the back leg through into a Stork position. You can then take it back if you wish to a starting position. Alternatively, you can lunge forward into a Stork position and just get the client to return their foot to the ground. As we go through, of course, we then have our travelling lunge, which is going to then incorporate definitely more of a primal pattern of a walking action. As we go through, we're going to be travelling through and making sure that we repeat that step as we go forwards in the action. Alternatively, we can also then bring in a weighted option for this exercise with the medicine ball. So with the medicine ball, as you travel forward, lunge forward, and we can rotate, which of course is going to be a great exercise for developing through our midsection, as well as coordination and neurological pathways. Once again, you can lunge forward, rotate away, or towards the body. Doesn't really matter which way. They're both going to be great exercises for developing the muscle strength.